Hi guys, we're going to go over our Transcendentalism Narrative Extended Constructed Response. This will be due October 17th. This is due in USA Test Prep. There is not a drop box for this in the OHS. It is due in USA Test Prep. Alright, so let's take a look at the assignment. Narrative writing is something that you will have to do on your EOC test, and we want to make sure that you are ready for that. So when writing a narrative, you have to consider the style and the themes from the literature that you've read in class in order to strengthen the story that you create. So we've been studying Emerson and Thoreau, the Transcendentalists, who study the world around them and how it affects them and human beings as a whole. So remember their introspective style and views on individuality as you construct your narrative based on the prompt below. Remember, you can use this document to brainstorm. You can even type, your first draft of your narrative, but you will have to submit your actual essay in USA Test Prep. All right, so let's take a look at this prompt. It says, write an essay in which you tell the story of the turning point of your life thus far. What were you like before this turning point occurred, and what were you like afterward? What caused this turning point to happen? All right, so you are writing about yourself for this, but you're thinking about it from the point of view of the Transcendentalist. So your basic expectations for this essay, it should be 5 paragraphs long. You should have an introduction with a thesis statement telling us what it's going to be about. You should have a body paragraph about your turning point, a body paragraph about yourself before your turning point, then a body paragraph about the actual turning point, and then a body paragraph about you after your turning point, and then a conclusion. And your conclusion should sum up what you talked about in your essay and have a summary sentence. Make sure that each paragraph is at least 3 sentences long. All right. You also want to tell a story about a part of your life. We don't want to hear about your entire life, just one part of your life. So you want to think about plot, character, setting, dialogue, theme related to the specific time in your life. Okay. And then you'll be graded based on the narrative writing rubric. It's a 4 to 0 points. It's in USA Test Prep, and it will translate to 100 to 0 points in the OHS gradebook. Come to class for further explanation. There will be class recordings if you don't make it to class, but this is just an overview. So here is some help to help you brainstorm about this assignment. And then, like we said, you can write it down here and then copy and paste what you write into USA Test Prep.